Got 100 articles to write but no time to do them one by one? Wish you could generate dozens of articles in one shot? Well, now you can because bulk generation is supported in SurgeGraph. Plus, when you bring your own key, you can generate up to 2,000 articles per month. Let me show you how to do bulk generation in SurgeGraph. First, you need to add your own API key. This is because bulk generation uses Flex, and Flex requires you to use your own API key. To do that, go to Organization Settings, then LLM Provider API Keys, and then add your key. Next, go to Flex, then click New Workflow. Choose from the available templates or click on Blank Workflow if you want to create your own workflow from scratch. If you want to use SurgeGraph's default workflow, select Vertex Longform. But for this example, let's say we want to generate a batch of short articles using this template. Click Use Template, give it a name, and click Create. Now click into the workflow. Before running this workflow, you can set where you want the output to go. For example, this workflow saves the output as documents inside SurgeGraph. But you can also send the output directly to WordPress. Just add the Export to WordPress block, connect the relevant sockets, and set your preferences. When you're ready, click Execute. There are two methods to run the bulk generation: manually enter the keywords or import a CSV file. For the first method, just enter your keywords one by one into the short text input field. Then set your location, language, reader intent, and author. If you want to apply the same settings for all keywords, check Apply All. If you have more keywords, just click Add Row to add more rows. Once you've entered everything, click Execute and wait a few minutes while the bulk generation runs. When it's done, you'll see the generated articles listed under Output. Click to review the article. Then, as usual, you can check the SEO score, use the Auto Optimizer, generate AI images, or make edits as needed. The second method is faster and better if you have a high volume of articles to generate by importing a CSV file. This is also great if you already have a content spreadsheet containing all your keywords, or if you've exported a list of keywords from Topic Discovery. Just click Import CSV, upload your file, and check Header Row if your file has headers. Next, map your columns. You'll see the column name, a sample data, and a drop-down to map each column to the correct input field. Typically, you'll map your keyword column to text input. Any irrelevant columns can be set to none. If your CSV includes location, language, reader intent, or author, you can map those as well. Click Continue and Flex will automatically load all your keywords for you. From there, just like earlier, set your settings, click Execute, and wait for your content to be generated. Now, if you're generating a large batch, say 50 articles, but you don't want to run them all at once because of rate limits, you can use Execute Schedule. This lets you drip the executions at your own pace. For example, if you want to generate 5 articles every 10 minutes, you set 5 executions per interval, 10 execution interval, and select minutes as the unit. And so that's how you run bulk generation in SurgeGraph. Of course, this is just one way to use Flex. There's much more you can do, so check out the full Flex tutorial video to learn more. Now go try it out and see how much time you can save. If you need help, just email us at hello@surgegraph.io.